There are watches in 2026 that cost less than $300, and honestly, they should not be this good. We're talking automatic movements, GMT complications, high beat ETA clones, even Miyota 9000 series movements. And some of these watches are even less than $100. So today we are counting down 10 watches that just ooze quality and value. Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are talking about 10 insane value watches. This is going to be a good one. If you love value and getting more for your money, you're at the right place. This is going to be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. And before we jump in, let's do a really quick wrist check. Today, I am wearing the Spinnaker Hole Diver, and it's pretty awesome. I'll put a link in the description just in case you want to go there and learn more about it. And let me know in the comments what your watch of the day is. All right, we are busting right through the gate, and today we're counting down these 10 watches, starting with number 10. This is the Millifortec R078, and this one runs the Seiko VH64 sweeping quartz movement, so technically quartz, but with that mechanical style sweeping seconds hand that we all love. It's reliably accurate, has clean styling and almost a muted retro colorway. It measures in at 38 millimeters in case diameter, 46 millimeters lug to lug, and a very nice 10.5 millimeters thick. You get AR coated sapphire, 100 meters of water resistance, all of this for around $80. It's not mechanical, but for someone who wants the look and accuracy without the maintenance, this is a solid value at this price. Up next at number 9, this is the WM206. This guy right here is solid. It runs the Seiko NH35 automatic, provides you with reliable service. It measures in at 40 millimeters in case diameter, 48 millimeters lug to lug, and 12.4 millimeters thick. You get AR coated sapphire crystal, 316L stainless steel, and an incredible operating bezel. Not to mention, this is a legitimate diver at 200 meters of water resistance. A price point under $150 is a good value, so this one at $144 is worth grabbing. At number 8 is the piece that might surprise you. This is the Pagani Design PD1793. This is a VK31 Mecha Quartz for around $50. This is a solid price for all the watch that they are giving you. AR coated sapphire, check. 316L stainless steel, check. 100 meters of water resistance, check, check, double check. At this price, it's almost impossible to complain. The craftsmanship is surprisingly good, and at $50, it's worth grabbing. And we are sliding into number 7. This is another Pagani design. This is the PD1811 with the VK64 Mecha Quartz. Pagani has been producing one banger after another, and this was no different. So what do you get for $80? 3 color options, AR coated sapphire, which is really clean, a 44 millimeter solid case build, a 20 millimeter lug width, so the world is open to you regarding strap options, and it gives you a really great wrist presence. Just a quick reminder before we move on, the My Dude Watch website is up and running. It's not all complete, but Jane is working on it every day. It has reviews, watch suggestions, and we try to keep you up to date on some nice deals that we run across. There's even an educational section that is nearly done as well. So check it out if you have interest in doing so. It's www.mydudewatch.com. All right, we are at number 6, and this is where things get interesting. This is a watch right here that has surpassed all expectations. I know you hate the name, but you gotta love the watch. This is the Wish Do It WSD 9007. This one uses a true GMT movement, the Seiko NH34. This one is stacked. This is a serious spec per dollar territory with an automatic coupon. You can get this one for around $140, which is a great price for this watch. If you want a travel complication without spending $500 or more, this is strong. We have just passed halfway, and this is wild. This is the Addy's Dive AD2093. This one has a Miyota automatic movement, 200 meters of water resistance, AR coated sapphire, 120 click unidirectional rotating bezel. The finishing is pretty good, but how do you complain with all this watch for $80? And for $80, that's insane mechanical value. You get proven reliability, nuclear loom, and a solid entry-level mechanical timepiece. This is budget mechanical done right. These last four are bringing you straight into serious timepiece territory. So here we go. At number 4 is the Watch Dives WD5512. This one runs the PT5000, which is based on ETA 2824 architecture. What does that mean? It means 28,800 beats per hour, so it's a high beat sweep, a thinner profile, which is always good, and better regulation potential. You have your choice of 3 colorways, and honestly, this is a ton of watch for around $130, which is insane value. The link is in the description. Just 3 more, and this is the Chronos L6037, a well-liked, well-crafted timepiece. This one is also carrying a PT5000 movement, but with better finishing and stronger overall execution compared to many other watches on this list and not. Chronos has built a reputation for strong looms, solid bracelets, clean finishing, and strong craftsmanship throughout their lineup. It's a good day to get this kind of quality with a high beat movement for less than $165. That's serious value and should be on your short list. Now we're stepping into premium movement territory, and I'm glad to be here. The next piece is the Adiscan K001. This runs on a Miyota 9015 movement. You heard of this one. It's a high beat 28,800 vibrations per hour, which is comparable to entry Swiss automatics. At $200, this is a huge value play, especially since the finishing is solid. You get all the specs you could want in this piece. Solid loom, AR-coated sapphire 316L, 100 meters of water resistance, and a legitimate enthusiast-level movement under $200. And here we are. We have powered our way into number 1. This is the Proxima PX 1721. Right out of the gate, you need to know this one has a PT5000 movement, strong finishing, better QC than most others in this price tier. At the $250 price point, this is a no-brainer. This is the most complete watch on today's list. You're getting a high beat movement, solid case finishing, incredible loom, on-the-fly adjustable clasp, strong bracelet execution, and overall build that feels closer to a $500 to $600 watch. All of those specs and that great watch for $250 is incredible. And this one takes the crown today. So here's the pattern. If you understand movement and you understand price, you can get an incredible watch in 2026. Just remember, you don't have to spend $1,000 to get an impressive watch. And now I hope to hear from you. Is there a watch on this list that you like? Is there one of these that you would wear? Well, there you go. We put links in the description just in case you want to go there and check all these watches out. Just remember, if you decide to make a purchase, My Dude Watch may get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. All right, it's time to wrap it up, so we will close the show. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch. We'll do it all again next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.